Maintain your appliance for optimal performance and continue to enjoy the perfect aroma with each brew. Here's how to clean and descale your Bosch coffee machine easily. You will receive a notification when it's time to clean your machine. But don't worry, all you need to do is go to the Calc and Clean program on your display and follow the step-by-step instructions that will guide you through the entire process. Begin by removing and cleaning the drip tray and milk container. In the coffee bean container, you'll find the slot for the cleaning tablet. Next, fill the water tank to the mark with warm water and add your descaling tablet. Remember to put a 33-ounce container under the spout for runoff water. Next, rinse and fill your water and milk containers accordingly. Your machine will automatically start the cleaning process. Once complete, your machine is ready to brew again.
You know what to do.
The 800 series VeroCafe from Bosch. Bring barista quality coffee home.